Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money with animations. Short little animation files, and you can make really good money with this. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video, alright? So we're going to get started on it right away here. We're not going to waste any time with any intros, other than if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed, well, go ahead right now while you're thinking about it and reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to crack that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel, because I'm always trying to help you guys bring more time and financial freedom into your lives with each and every video that I upload that you see right here on your screen. So, alrighty guys, well with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right on in on this video here today. What we want to do is we want to come over here to this site right here. You see it? It's called Giphy. Up here in the address bar, you see it says Giphy.com right here. And it's Giphy.com. You come over here. First thing you notice about this site right here, guys, is it's 100% free to use this site. There is no price. This is 100% free to make GIF files. GIF files, if you don't know what those are, there are short little animation files. Create any kind of GIF or animation that you want to do, and you can actually sell these things and make money. Now, before you get excited and say, well now Kevin, how does, why would anybody want to buy GIFs to make or anything like that? Well, I'll tell you why. You don't sell yourself short. Stick around, because I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can make money with this particular method that I'm showing you here today. So as you come over here to Giphy.com, you see there's doesn't cost anything. This, by the way, this is all 100% free to do, and it's can be done anywhere in the world, 100% free. Alrighty. So all you come here is, you see he's got different kinds of GIFs here. GIFs are just short 2 and 3 seconds. Sometimes they'll last up to 5 seconds. Little animation files that will show a message or give a message. And sometimes a lot of people use them just for funny things. There are lots of funny stuff and that kind of thing. And you can see there's all kinds of different ones here that people have already created here. And they're really easy to do on this site. This is something that can be done very easily. And they're just all kinds of them. They got all kind of different categories here of them. As you can see right here, there's reactions. If we click on reactions right up here, you can see you get these are reaction type GIFs right here, people's reactions, and you can upload your own. If you have like a little short video clip of your own that you've clipped down to about 2 to 3 seconds, and you can upload that as well right here on this site and use that too with the upload button that you see right here. And then they have also in entertainment, you can get into like Hollywood type GIFs here. Entertainment GIFs, as you can see here, with stars and things like that that you can use and create and so on and so forth. And then they also have the sports category, stickers, and stickers show a little bit different things that you can create, like little sticker type things, sticker animations here, as you can see on your screen there. And also you can do, and they have different artists here and stuff, and different categories that you can do it in, like animals, actions, anime, cartoons, emotions, all kinds of different categories and stickers and things, and so on and so forth. Now, before you can upload on this site though, they do want you to log in or create an account. So what you want to do is click on the login right here. There it comes. Yeah, here you go. You can join with Facebook and or in creating basically a local account here too, and then sign a little garbage captcha here. And don't forget to then just click sign up. They may send you an email confirmation, so make sure that you check that out and get your account confirmed and stuff with them anyway. So then when you get signed in, come back and come over to Giphy here, and all you would do, for example, is you can create, click on create right here, and it brings you over here, and you can actually upload a photo or a GIF that you already have from your computer. You can even choose a little video clip where you've trimmed a video down to like 2 or 3 seconds. And or if you want to create right here, you can click there and you can add any even URL here. You can put in a YouTube, Vimeo, or Giphy links, as you see right here. But if you want to create your own, it says new here, click on Giphy backdrops, and you can easy enough create your own GIF right here. So basically they want to, you just click on choose a starter if you didn't want to upload. Now they accept PNG, JPEG, GIF files, movie, and MP4, which is standard video files. And you can do that, or just click choose a starter, or you can come down here and they can just keep loading more. They have quite a few templates that you can use right here on this site. For example, let's just say if we just pick one, for example, we'll just like take this one right here, and we can, it brings it up and it'll load it up into the editor here. As you can see, we can add stickers and put a caption, filters, and we can even draw on it too as well. So basically what we'll do is we'll pick a sticker here now, and as you can see they got all kinds of them, and it just keeps going and going and going. As you scroll down, you can see a lot of Halloween themes here because, you know, we're getting in towards the Halloween holiday here, coming up here in about another 4 weeks at this time. Choose any kind of GIF or sticker animation that you want here for your GIF. For example, let's just say if we pick this one right here and click on it, and it puts it in right up here, and it loads it up in our background that we picked, the starter background, and you can drag these around and put them anywhere you want and set them, and then we can come back and put a caption on here. As you see it, click on caption up here on the left, and just simply you can just type in whatever you want, and you can just say boo or whatever, and then you can change that by clicking here. You can change the font on it and so on and so forth. And there's other things that you can do with it too. Add a subtitle here with the different things, and or so on and so forth, and create your animations, and you can drag all that around wherever you want. And then once you're done with your little GIF animation, all you need to do is come down here to where it says download right here, and you can download that to your computer. It's easy enough to create these. I mean, you can put as much in here, animation, as you want. You can add filters to change the color of it if you kind of want to make it look spooky, since we put the little ghost in there. You can see that, and it changes things around as well. You can put this down here and make it look however you want. You can draw on it if you want, and add other stickers to it, and or draw if you want with it. I mean, it's just all kinds of things that you can do with it, and make your GIF however you want to make it there. And then once you're done with it, you just simply come over and click download. All right, so that's how you guys can create a free GIF animation file. Set it to loop maybe in 1 to 2 seconds and start over. And even if you use like a video file, you want it to loop over and over and over about every 3 seconds, like you saw on the front. And then once you're done with that, just download it to your computer. Now, so how are we going to make money? We found out how we can make these GIF files for free. How are we going to make money with this, right? All right, so what you're going to do, one thing you can do is you can come over here to Etsy. You see right here, it's Etsy.com. Etsy is a site where people sell all kinds of different things. Jewelry, clothing, home living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, art and collectibles, craft supplies, and gifts. But you'll notice that I typed into their search engine up here, animated GIFs. You see that? And you pressed enter, and it comes up with all of these people who are selling GIF files. So like I said, don't sell yourself short. These are in demand. People are selling these. Look at the prices they're selling for. $6, $5, $9, $6, $6. Here's even one for $37 or $39 and almost $40 here. $12, $3, $55 here, and $4 here roughly. And it just goes on and on and on. People are selling these GIF files that you just saw how to make for free right here on Etsy. So all you want to do is come here to Etsy, click sign up or sign in, get signed up on this site, and begin to sell your GIFs on this site. Another site, stick around, there's 2 more sites coming up for this, guys. Another site, of course, is probably my favorite site, would be Fiverr.com. You see it up there in the address bar. It's Fiverr.com. Come over here and you'll notice that here I've typed in animated GIFs right here on Fiverr. And you can see right here, guys, there's only 1,472 people selling this on Fiverr. And that's not very big a crowd when you consider the billions of people on Fiverr. In fact, let's just see how many people come to Fiverr every month. It looks like 60.6 million visitors a month. In fact, let's come back and check on Etsy. How many people come to Etsy every month? We come back here, click out our similar web, scroll this up, guys. Look here, 358 million visitors per month here. So that's a pretty doggone good reason to sell your animated GIFs on Etsy, right? And then also another place you can, well, actually here on Fiverr, what you'd want to do is come and join. All these are free to sign up on. You join Fiverr and then get your email confirmation, get your account verified. I know Fiverr will send one. Then come back, get signed in, click on Become a Seller, and set up an animated GIF gig like you see right here. All these people are selling animated GIFs. Look at the prices, 30, 5, 15, 20. These are just the starting prices, guys. You can also create your own in the standard package. You have a basic, a standard, and premium packages. You guys have seen me do Fiverr videos before. You know how to set it up, so I'm not going to go into all that detail right now, but just set up your gig here on Fiverr to make animated GIFs and sell animated GIFs here on Fiverr, setting your price. It looks like the average, I mean, some of these are like 150. It's amazing. 100, 350, 150. I would set my price if I was starting out brand new, probably about $30. That seems to be about the average right here among what I'm seeing here in prices. And if you notice, everybody's making money, guys. All these people are making money on this because it is an in-demand thing. So yeah, it's in demand. There's a lot of demand for animated GIF files. Now, that's site number 2 where you can come over and sell your GIFs. The third site is Upwork.com. You see it up here in the address bar. It's Upwork.com. You can come over here. You see I've typed the same thing into their search engine right here, animated GIFs. See? And you see all these people that are selling animated GIFs. Here's $45 an hour to do GIFs and things like that. Graphic design. Animated GIFs right here, $30 an hour. Here's another one, $75 an hour. I mean, it just goes on and on and on, guys. Animated and Illustrator. And you can sell your GIFs on this site and make a killing. So it shouldn't be nothing for you if you were to set up gigs on all 3 of these sites, Etsy, Fiverr, and Upwork, and you should be able to make about $165 a day, I would think, in a short amount of time, pretty quick. This is an in-demand thing, and you can do that simply by coming over and using this free site right here, Giphy.com, and you can create your GIFs here and just sell them on all 3 of those sites and make a lot of money for yourself. Well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. Wanted to show you how you can make some pretty good money using animation files, commonly called GIFs. Alrighty, guys. Well, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, well, reach down there below and mash that subscribe button. And don't forget to crack on that bell so you get notified. And also, if you have any questions or comments about this video, just leave them down below and I'll get back with you on that. And if you want to start an affiliate marketing business, yeah, you need to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see my #1 way to make money that I make money online, and see if it's not a good fit for you also. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.